It's been over 3 weeks of wildfires in Los Angeles. So, how much longer will it continue? Or, in other words, when will it douse? Well, if I were to put it in a single line, the fires will snuff out when they run out of fuel. And currently, everything in the vicinity is acting as fuel, whether it be vegetation, houses, buildings with combustible materials, complex terrain, winds, climatic patterns, etc. etc. So it could still take weeks or perhaps months. It's hard to say. In the past, the longest it has taken to douse a wildfire in the United States has been 123 days. It was in year 2020 during the August complex wildfire. So what do? Do we stop making manual efforts and just wait for the fuel to run out? Or in other words, just wait for God's mercy? Essentially, no. That may make it even more catastrophic than what it already is. The efforts do continue, but with such climatic conditions, it becomes even more difficult. Usually, aerial firefighting with water and retardants is considered as the most efficient way to tackle large wildfires. However, with strong winds like Santa Ana winds, it becomes more challenging. The aircrafts can't fly if it's too windy. So, since it all depends on Mother Nature, will I continue to suffer every year? Well, it's hard to say. For sure, the weather patterns are set to dominate and be the driving factors. However, the impact can be minimized by individual actions. Paying more attention to urban planning, clearing vegetation around houses, not ignoring the early warnings, building a powerful water system, increasing firefighting force, and of course, studying weather patterns more closely would prove to be helpful.